Hey Diamonds! So today I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram stories to promote your business. I am going to be using a pre-made template in Canva, and I am on the free version. Trying to promote a new product, a new collection, this is going to be your video. And I love the feature that you can click on more than one template and make it one template. Like you can merge two templates into one, and you'll see me do that in today's video. This is just a simple, video. It's like a graphic that plays on your Instagram story. So we're going to go ahead. If this was for your business, you would add your website here. So I'm just putting your website. What you want to do is click on the image and then hit the trash can and then delete image. This will delete the image inside of the frame. What you want to do is you want to upload your own photos onto Canva and then hover over the frame. The frame is like the phone outline. When you see the little blue sky and the green grass, that's a frame. And I'm just adding my product pictures into the template. And you can adjust the images inside of the frame. So now I'm going to think about my brand identity and my brand awareness, and I'm going to follow my brand color scheme, which is pink, black, and white. And if you make a mistake, like I accidentally made the letters pink instead of white, just hit the back button. The back button is at the top left, the arrow that is pointing backwards. So we have our color scheme, we have our website, our pictures, and I'm going to add an additional page and then click on another template. but I'm going to use the second template as part of this whole template. I'm looking back on it right now, and I know the first template is, the background is more pink. I'm just now seeing that. But yeah, when you do your template, make sure both backgrounds are the same color, or you could do whatever you want to do. It's your business. The templates on Canva are made to make the editing process easier. And now the iPhone has the feature where if you hold down the picture, it'll give you like a PNG, and a PNG is a photo without a background. So you can use that feature to get your product images. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my PNG files, the images without backgrounds, so it'll stand out in this template. And right here, I'm deleting the words inside of that little bubble. On Instagram, you can put a clickable link. So I'm going to put my clickable link in that little bubble. So that'll be my call to action. And I'm just going through the different animations to see what will, fit best for this template. And as you can see, when you click on it, it'll play it, so you'll get a preview. You can also add music to your entire, template, but I like to use the music on Instagram because it's more, mainstream. You want to follow the purple outline. It'll tell you what you've selected. So right here, I'm just going to add a few more words. This will be my closing slide. So shop the new collection. That is my call to action. So I'm trying to figure out how I want my words to close so that it'll be like all together, like it'll be cohesive. So for me, I feel like the images are moving a little bit too slow. So I'm gonna shorten each slide to about 3.5. And this is how it looks. It'll look on Instagram stories. So what you want to do, you want to hit the arrow in the top right. Make sure it's an MP4 video if you've added animations. So then what you do, you just take your video and post it on your Instagram story. Hope you all enjoy this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. I'll be making more videos. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you loves later. Bye.